Hi, I'm Ben from Build My Story, and I'm excited to see that you signed your class up today. However you found us, we're going to guide you and your students through a simple journey from the first steps through to a classroom celebration. Here is a quick snapshot and what students do. So over this program, students plan and write a story, they build a character, and they bring a book to life. Whether you make a class book together or students create their own books, every student gets the chance to tell their story. So what do you need to do as a teacher? First, complete teacher onboarding. Tell us about your class, choose your start date, and add your students. It takes just a few minutes. Then you'll land in your dashboard, which will give you a simple overview of the program. From the left to the right, each step turns blue when it's complete. You can click on the info icons at any time if you want help. All you need to do now is send home the pre-session flyers to families. It only takes a few minutes. Preparation. Before the start date, use our worksheets for planning and short writing lesson. If you have a specific topic in mind for a worksheet or writing lesson, email support@buildmystory.com and we can create a worksheet for you. Student writing options. Students can pre-write their story and we create the images for them. Or they can use the Help Me Write feature by typing just a few lines of their idea. Either path leads to a fully illustrated book the student can be proud of. Now the student experience. Once flyers are home and you've prepped the class, go to students, print passwords, and get everyone logged in. Once students are logged in, they choose their writing option, then they build a character, and then the book is fully generated. They edit and preview the pages, and then they're finished. It only takes a few sessions. As students log in, the student step turns blue so you can see the progress at a glance on the dashboard. Parent communication and purchases come next. When all students have made a book, go to My Library. You can view the books for this project, and you can add more projects at any time. Select all and print the post-session flyers so families can view the book and decide whether they want to purchase. A purchase deadline is created for you. It is 7 days from the day you print the flyers, and you'll see that date on your dashboard as well. After the deadline passes, you can click Ship Books, and then we will handle the printing and delivery. Every student receives a free digital book, even if there is no purchase, so no student feels left out on the celebration day. And once the books have arrived at your school, it's time to celebrate. From your start date to celebration is usually about a month. So all you need to do is set your start date, add your students, send flyers home to parents, and run a few exciting story building sessions. We will send reminder emails to keep you on track along the way, and I cannot wait to see your students celebrate as published authors.